There's a Saturday. Yeah, I can't do that with my. So I haven't vlogged all day. I kept forgetting, and I pretty much forgot all day, except for I thought about it a little this morning. So sorry. I've been on my computer all day, trying to enjoy it while I can, because I have to go back to school on Monday. Well, school being student teaching. But I got a snack. I got salsa, cheese, salsa stuff, and chips. And I'm on the computer, and I've been playing Pokemon Gold on my computer, so that's fun. But sorry, not much has gone on today, or at least I haven't vlogged much today. But I will vlog. There will be stuff tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you in my room. Blue juice. I don't remember the rest of the song. Blue juice. Blue moon. I don't know. Blue juice. The blue juice that has the power to heal all ills. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I feel funny. This feels so. I can't do it anymore. It was the wrong blue juice. Turn, you blue juice. Blue juice. But I have one more thing I must say. I hope you have a great, grand, wonderful, amazing, fluffy day.